some of you. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga Scorpio natin. Kasi, kasi nga meron nang mag-let go dito, no. So, for some of you, you have to speak out na, speak up, no, ang tawag doon, speak the truth, no, I mean your true feelings, no, kung meron kang i-let go na person, so sabihin mo na because hindi ka lang masaya. And of course, I know na parang may nakita ka na someone na magpapasaya sa inyo, right? No, or natagpuan mo na rin yung para sa iyo, no? So, kaya meron na ditong time to let go, no? Time to let go of the person na kadil ninyo or someone na kadil ng iyong third party, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun lang naman, no? So, medyo magulo pa rin, no? Kasi for sure, for some of you ay mangyayari pa lang ito, no? So, kasi medyo magulo yung scenario pa, no? Walang clarity pa dito, no? So, parang may hindi pa nagsasabi, something like that, no? So, medyo magulo pa siya, no? Kaya parang hindi pa to nangyayari for some of you, or for some of you ay still nangyayari pa lang, no? Hindi pa totally lahat yan nangyayari, no? So, may some messages pa lang na mangyayari pa lang, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, ayun lang naman yung nakikita ko for you, mga Scorpio natin. So, I hope na may naka-resonate, no? For some of you, no? Medyo magulo pa yung istorya, no? Kasi nga ay for sure hindi pa to nangyayari, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, God bless you all, mga Scorpio natin. And thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yeah, no? Let's go, no? With you, Pisces, no? Let's see anong third party situation for the Pisces, please, no? Kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you also, mga Pisces natin. Kuha tayo ng 6 cards, no? Tignan natin, third party situation for Pisces. Let's see. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see, mga Pisces. So, meron ditong school, no? So, what is, no? So, may scandal, expose. So, ano ito? So, karmic, toxic relationship. So, disrespect. And losing self-confidence, no? So, and again, continuous cheating, no? So, yeah, no? For some of you,